Hi students, I hope you're fine. Today we will be studying English text chapter 8. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Robinson Crusoe is a real story which is written by Daniel Defoe. Robinson was a sailor and one day his ship got destroyed by the storm. So, after which he had spent many years on the island. Okay, children, so Robinson Crusoe is a real story, and he was a sailor who used to ride ship. Okay, so one day his ship got destroyed by the storm, so he had to come to an island where he lived for many years. In this chapter, you must remember all the incident which took place in the chapter as they will be asked in your exam. Okay, so read carefully with me, and even on your own you should practice reading this chapter and remember all the important incidents and underline them. Now let's begin. One day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man in the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. Now, Robinson Crusoe, he was going towards his boat one day. So, what did he see? He saw a footprint of a man on the sand. And just imagine, there was no one except him on the island. That is why he was amazed. Amazed means surprised. And he listened, he tried to listen to the sound that were coming कि कोई है तो नहीं आसपास. I looked around, he looked around, and but he couldn't even see anything. He could not see anything. Okay, I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints to find out if it had been my imagination. Now, what did he do? First, when he saw the footprint, he couldn't believe at his eyes. So, he went up and down the shore. पूरा आइलैंड उसने घूमा, but it was of no good. उसके हाथ कुछ नहीं लगा. I could not find no other footprint but that one. There was only one footprint. Can you imagine? Just one footprint. I went to see it again if there were any more footprints, but he couldn't find any of them except the one he had found before. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot. Toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. Now he went again. He was thinking that he must have been imagining something, uska wahm hoga. But then he went again and there was exactly the same footprint, a footprint of a human being. See, usme kya kya tha? Toes, heel, and every part of a foot which a human being has. Okay? Children, keep underlining the important ones. Come to page 55. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. Now, he was thinking and thinking about the footprint, and nothing, he did not get the answer, but he was so confused. At last, I returned home very frightened. Frightened means scared, डरा हुआ. Looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush or tree to be a man. Now what happened? He was returning home. He was very scared. तो उसको ऐसा लग रहा था that somebody is following him. So he was again and again looking back very frequently. And he thought अगर bush हिल रही थी हवा से भी तो उसको ऐसा लग रहा था that a man is there or somebody is staring at me. Okay, why he was feeling so? Because he was scared. When I came up to my cave, which I called my castle. अब वो अपनी cave को क्या बुलाता था? Castle. Okay? I ran inside it as if I was being chased. Chased means chase मतलब उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई उसके पीछे पड़ गया है. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock. Now, Mr. Robinson Crusoe के जो cave थी उसमें दो entrance थी. There were two entrances in Mr. Robinson Crusoe's cave. One was the ladder, another one was the hole in the rock. Remember this incident. Then he ran faster as if he was chased by an animal. वो इतना डर गया था that he just even could not imagine, and he ran so fast that as if it was looking like somebody is just behind him. I did not sleep that night. Mr. Robinson Crusoe नहीं सोया उस रात. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. Now जितनी बार वो उस incident के बारे में सोचता, कौन सा incident? Yes, footprint. So he was getting more and more scared. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. What happened? When he could not sleep at night, तो वो सोच रहा था कि maybe savages आ गए हो. Savages are the violent people, bad people. Savages means violent or bad people. Of the mainland. Mainland मतलब, now if you have seen Mowgli picture, there was an jungle, okay, and then उससे थोड़ी सी दूर एक गांव था. So that means mainland, where people stay, okay. Who had wandered? Wandered means घूमने आ गए हों. Out to the sea in a small boat. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि हो सकता है कि कोई बाहर के लोग आ गए हों मेरे आइलैंड पर. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. Now he was thinking that अगर चलो अच्छा है मुझे किसी ने नहीं देखा. But what if they had seen my boat? Who? Savages. So he was so scared that he was thinking कि वो मुझे मारने और खाने आ रहे हैं. Okay? And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. Now, these all the thoughts were going on inside Robinson's head. So he laid and he prayed for protection. He prayed for protection. अब जब अपन प्रे करते तो अपन को थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So even he was feeling the same. So then he thought after 2-3 days that अब मैं बाहर जाकर एक बार दोबारा देख कर आता हूँ. But even now as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Now ऐसा होता है अब जब वो 2-3 दिन बाद अपनी केव से बाहर निकला, so he was still scared. So he was looking, थोड़ा डर डर के चल रहा था. He was looking back again and again, okay? However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and I saw nothing, I became a little bolder. अब वो उसको 2-3 दिन continuously वो बाहर जाने लगा, so उसे थोड़ी हिम्मत आ गई. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. He decided that he will go to that part of the beach where he had found the footprint. वापस देखने उसे. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. He decided that he is going to measure it. वो उसको नापेगा अपने खुद के पैर से. Okay? Now turn the page. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. Now what happened is, what the shocking thing happened, that he realized, उसे एकदम से याद आया कि अरे मैं तो इस पार्ट पे आया ही नहीं हूँ बीच के काफ़ी टाइम से, तो ये फुटप्रिंट मेरा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Secondly, when he put his own foot alongside of the footprint was larger than his own foot. My fear returned. उसका डर वापस आ गया. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Now, जब उसने ये अपना पैर नापा तो फुटप्रिंट उसके पैर से बड़ा था. That means ये उसका पैर नहीं था. And that finally means that the island was inhabited. There was truly someone present there. Children, now remember the moral of the story. The moral of the story is true success lies in overcoming fear. You have to overcome your fear to reach success. Okay? This will come in your exam. Kindly remember the moral and all the incidents in the story happened. Okay? The author, Robinson Crusoe, footprints, where he lived, etc. Remember all the incidents. Children, and the notebook work will be given in the PDF form on the groups. Take care. Bye bye.